I was from down south, so I was always playing footy down there, and I had to move to Perth, so I needed a job. And Dad was a carpenter, so I thought, why not do something along those lines, and I did good work at school, so I just applied for an apprenticeship doing cabinet making. The highlight of TAFE is definitely starting from scratch. You've got your designing stage, and then you're drawing out and you're planning, and then you start with pretty much raw wood, raw timber and hot solid woods and that, and you build something from nothing to something, and it's really enjoyable to get the satisfaction of what you've made. I sort of want to pursue footy more than anything, but at least I've always got the thing behind me, because footy's not going to be forever. And I've always got the cabinet making behind me, so when I do hang up the boots, I've always got cabinet making there I can go to and venture out, maybe start my own business or something like that. The best thing about cabinet making and the course itself is the meeting new people. Coming to TAFE one day a week just gets you out of the workplace, and you actually, not knowing anything from the start to now where I am now, I've learned a lot, and it's great thanks to the lecturers I've got here, and it's a great community here, and you meet all the boys, and being the only girl, they kind of look after you here as well. But no, it's great and I love it.